Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about ConvertKit. ConvertKit is an impressive email marketing platform that has gained popularity among entrepreneurs, content creators, and small businesses. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ConvertKit provides a robust selection of sorry provide robust solution for managing email campaigns and building meaningful connection with subscribers. One of the standout features of ConvertKit is its intuitive email automation capabilities. So let's create an account and see what's going on here. So you will need your name, your email. What? No, I mean the email. Please don't be mistaken in any letter. Good. Now the password. Read and agree. So the platform allows users to create sophisticated automation workflows without the need of the complex code and technical skills. This enables businesses to deliver a personalized and targeted content for their subscribers based on specific triggers and actions, resulting in higher engagement and conversion. So, welcome. Where are you joining us from? Did you Do you already use email marketing tools for business? No, I'm just starting. So, how big is your audience? Uh, why, why I can't see zero? Okay, next. What's your business, newsletters, or brand name called? This is the name of what appears. Creators profile. Okay, this is better. Next. What's your business? I said already. Now choose a custom domain. Cool. Your ConvertKit domain will be okay. Not bad. What kind of creator are you? So what am I? I'm not an artist, athlete, author, blogger, chef, coach, designer, educator, filmmaker, influencer, journalist, maker. Maker what? Maker? Can we choose maker? Not a musician, not a marketer, not a photographer, not a podcaster, not a streamer, not a YouTuber. What am I? I'm a human. Can I go now? No, I can't. What do you hope to achieve with ConvertKit? Grow my list, send emails. I just want to look around. Okay, this is good. So your website, social media profiles. Okay. Slash. We have. And the other links, I don't think I'm bringing them now. So your website. I don't think I have an official website for now. And other account, I don't think I'm willing to add them now. So let's get started. So ConvertKit also excels in email sequencing functionality. The platform offers a straightforward approach to creating email sequence or drip campaigns, allowing users to craft and series of automated emails that are sent out at predetermined intervals. This feature is particularly useful for onboarding new subscribers, delivering course or educational content, and nurturing leads over time. So explore ConvertKit. let's create a landing page for our emails. Create landing page form, choose a landing page or form, select template, customize it, update your settings. So create a form for email model. Okay, let's choose So in terms of subscriber management, ConvertKit provides useful tools for organizing and segmenting your email list. You can easily tag subscribers based on their behavior, interests, and any custom criteria, which allow for precise targeting and personalizing. The platform also offers option forms and landing pages template that can be customized to match your brand, helping you capture leads effectively. So here, let's change the picture, replace, choose file. Ooh, I remember this one, it was good. So look at this, look. Awesome. Background color. Make it here, perfect. Border radius 5. Okay, I don't think 5 is a number. Custom CSS, no, don't touch this. So this is my template. Sorry. Just jumping on the keyboard. So if you click on anything, you can change its color. So here we have the red. No, it doesn't match with the background. So let's choose something that matches with the background. Good. And we have a download button. I don't think here should be download. It should be something like a join. And the background should be this color. So let's publish it. Whoa. Wow. Copy. Okay. So I just published my email. I mean my landing page. So let's go back. Now you will see how many clicks, how many subscribers, and everything about your page. Let's go to here and no, I already clicked here. Let's go here. So we created select updated settings. Now create a landing page. Where is my page? Okay, I have to create a new one. So I have another picture, another awesome picture that suits the moment. No, not this one. I think this one. Or not for now. I remember that it's not my website for now. I just show you how. So then you click on stand and you add, you can earn money or made a jar tip for customers to donate you. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.